Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of certificates of deposit, or CDs. Maybe you've heard whispers of their steady returns, or perhaps you're a seasoned savings pro looking for a new strategy. Either way, one question often pops up first: what's the minimum balance to open one? Now, CDs can be fantastic tools. They offer a guaranteed interest rate for a set term, making them a safe haven for your money while it grows predictably. But with so many banks out there, navigating minimum deposits and finding the best deal can feel overwhelming. Fear not, finance friends. Today, we're setting our sights on Ally Bank, a popular online bank known for its competitive rates. So, if you've been eyeing Ally Bank CDs, the question on your mind might be, is there a minimum deposit lurking in the fine print? Well, buckle up, because here's the exciting news: Ally Bank breaks the mold. Unlike many traditional banks that impose minimums of $500, $1,000, or even more, Ally Bank boasts a refreshing no minimum deposit requirement for their CDs. That's right, you can start small, even with just a few bucks, and still snag the benefits of a CD. This makes Ally Bank a fantastic option for anyone new to CDs or those looking to build their savings gradually. It also opens the door for a strategy called a CD ladder, where you spread your savings across CDs with different terms. This lets you access some cash periodically while still locking in higher rates for longer terms. But wait, isn't there a catch? While the lack of a minimum is certainly a perk, it's worth noting that Ally's CD rates might vary depending on the amount you deposit. Generally, larger deposits tend to qualify for slightly better interest rates. So, while you can get started with any amount, maximizing your returns might involve putting in a bit more. Now, to shed some light on those rates, here's a quick rundown of what Ally Bank offers as of today. Be sure to check their website for the latest updates, as rates can fluctuate. They have a variety of CD terms, ranging from a quick 3 months to a longer 5-year commitment. These terms come with competitive annual percentage yields, APYs, which is the interest rate you'll earn over a year. For example, their 3-month CD currently offers an APY of around 3%, while their 5-year CD boasts a rate closer to 3.9%. Remember, these are just examples, and the specific rates will depend on current market conditions. So, to recap, Ally Bank eliminates the minimum deposit hurdle, making their CDs accessible to everyone. They offer various terms and competitive rates, allowing you to tailor a CD strategy to your financial goals. Now, CDs aren't magic bullets. The money you lock away in a CD is typically inaccessible until the term ends. There are usually early withdrawal penalties if you need the cash before then. So, be sure to choose a term that aligns with your savings goals and consider keeping some money easily available in a high-yield savings account for emergencies. Ultimately, Ally Bank's lack of minimum deposit makes them a strong contender for anyone considering CDs. They offer flexibility, competitive rates, and the security of FDIC insurance. With that said, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. Until next time, happy saving.